Let's talk about file sharing, shall we? So one of the ways that I prefer to share files with clients, both for web design and for things that we may do for clients here at the Nook, is with a cloud-based program called OneDrive. If you use a Windows-based computer, laptop, tablet, all of the above, you may have seen the OneDrive icon down here in the lower right-hand corner. It's the little cloud, usually, right here. So mine is this gray and white with black outline cloud, okay? You are asked to log in normally with your OneDrive account. It provides backups for your computer. So if anything does happen to your physical hardware, you still have access to all of your files and data that is on your desktop. That is one of the benefits of using a cloud-based program for backup, like OneDrive. So on my screen here, you see I have two different windows open. One is my local file share, or just the regular file folder that I go to when I click on the folder in the taskbar. The other one here is the online version of the OneDrive folders. These two talk to each other. One is accessed through any web browser, so I can access these files from here, from home, from my IVIG infusion appointments, from anywhere, as long as I remember the login. This here, the File Explorer, can only be accessed from my computer. But what I'm about to show you, how to share different files and how to access those shared files, is applicable for either. They're the same, okay? So I am going to go and find the folder that I want to share. And I want to share this folder here, SBD Nook, with my employees. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to right click on the file over here in the Explorer, the left-hand side. Now this is for the file manager. And then I'm going to say share. Once I click share, it's going to do its thing and think, and then I've already shared this with my employees. So you can share in one of two ways. You can add their email address here, and then they will get an email saying I have shared this file or this folder with them, and then you can include a message. So we're going to send it to, we'll go at Nook. Okay, so there's my email address, and I'm going to type a message that says file sharing demo, and then I'm going to click send. Now, when I go to my email, it may take a few minutes, so don't worry if it doesn't show up right away. I'm going to pop this out and bring it over here. So this is the email that I get when a file has been shared with me. And I can pin this and keep it, so that way I always have access to it. I'm going to open. And this has all of the same information as my File Explorer does. So that's one way to share. The other way to share is by copying and sending a link in an email. So I'm going to hit share again. And see here where it says copy link? I'm going to copy or hit copy, and then it's going to come up with this link. I'm going to hit copy that link. Now I can paste this link into any type of message that I want to share this folder with. We are going to do the exact same thing in the web browser. So I'm going to share this folder, SBD Nook, with myself or my employees. So in the web browser, it is going to have a square icon with a little arrow. That means share. And as you see, the longer you hover over it, there's a little tip or a tooltip that shows up, and it says share this item with other people. I'm going to click on that, and the same thing pops up. So I can share it with anybody. So we're going to do the copy link on this one so I can show how to edit that link. Okay, and now I am going to do a new email, and we're going to send it to my staff. And let them know they can disregard this one. What's the subject of file sharing demo? And now if I do Control and V at the same time, that's going to paste the link. But see how it pastes the link as the name of the folder? That is still a link. Anytime you see text, especially in an email, that is a blue color and underlined, that is a link. And we have that tooltip text that is hovering again. So the longer you hover over that text, it's going to tell you what it is. And if we want to open this link, we're going to hit Control and click on that link, and it's going to open the link right from the email. And there it is. So if you get an email and it has the text with an underline, that means that it is a link, and it is okay to go ahead and click on that. You can also, if we come back here and do Control A, which is select all and make sure that entire thing is copied, and then do Control C to copy it, we're going to come back over here and paste it. So when you hit the copy button on the share folder or the share window pop-up for OneDrive, and you paste it in an email, it's going to come up as the name of the folder. If you do the second option, which is to select the entire text of the link and then paste it in here, then it's going to show up as this long link that doesn't really tell people what it is. But it has that HTTPS in there so people know that it's a link. So these are the ways that you can share files or folders. You can do individual files the exact same way, or folders like I did, and send it through email like this, or just invite people to see and view those files. Let us know if you have any questions, and if you need any basic tech help or a place to work, the Nook in Cable, Wisconsin is your place to go. You can visit us at the-nook-cable.com for more information. Thanks for tuning in.